Poem Consciousness, March 14, 2021. Consciousness is the supreme reality. We have been living in an intelligent and ever-expanding universe, and the source of creation is intelligence that has been working from within. Pure awareness is consciousness, which is expressed through evolution and expansion. Universe is created through consciousness or intelligence. Consciousness is the ultimate motherboard of the existence. Creator and creation have become one. The state of being aware of and the state of responsiveness to one's surroundings may be termed as consciousness. Nothingness and vastness are the two extremes of consciousness. Human life is the manifestation of consciousness through the mind-body complex. Human beings are the most evolved creation on the universe, from single cell to multi-cell. The evolution did not work on all spheres of human being. It worked partially on the human being. The formation of an atom and the formation of the whole universe are the same, where there is an empty space of 99.99%. The formation of living and non-living bodies is same. Everything in the universe is the different forms of consciousness. Consciousness is not present physically on anything, but it can be felt as a state of being. Whenever individual consciousness is connected with cosmic consciousness, then that may be termed as an enlightened state of beingness. The individual may be able to achieve anything in life. The human body acts as a hardware and human mind acts as a software. Where software has the capacity to change the hardware at any point of life. The three parts of the human mind are the conscious, subconscious, and unconscious minds. Those take care of an individual. The conscious part of the brain is the smallest part that takes care of our conscious actions, behaviors, but always under the influence of subconscious and unconscious mind. The subconscious mind takes care of the involuntary parts of our body, like breathing, digestion, and some other works. The unconscious mind is the reservoir of all unfulfilled desires, intentions, dreams, different tendencies, and occupy a huge portion. The reptilian brain that takes care of our survival, procreation, and few other things that started evolving over the last more than 400 million years. The limbic brain started developing over the last 300 million years, and the neocortex started developing in human being over the last 100 million years. The universe is more than 10 billion years old. Human beings who are groomed up as a natural child uses all of their faculties diligently, and who are groomed up as an adaptive child fail to use most of their faculties properly and struggles throughout his or her life. Natural child has the developed mind, and adaptive child has the undeveloped mind. Throughout our life journey, we may decide to live consciously, but for that we need to train our mind to achieve that level of consciousness to practice in our daily life. Three states of consciousness in human being are awakened state, dream state, and deep sleep state. Through yoga and meditation, we can take control over our body and mind. That can divide our body and mind from self and connect our individual consciousness with the cosmic consciousness, and connect our individual life energy with the cosmic energy. Then we can transform ourselves from humanity to divinity. If we can achieve that level of consciousness, then we may liberate ourselves from all kinds of pains in life, and life can become pure love and joy. We can enjoy every moment of our lives. From our birth to different stages of life, our physical form gets changed, but consciousness remains same. When we leave our body through our death, our consciousness gets merged into the vast ocean of consciousness as it works as one unit in the universe. Everything in the universe is the expression of the consciousness through different names and forms. Consciousness is the ultimate truth in the universe. Thank you.